Good morning, friends. I am Sumant Bhattacharya, and I welcome all of you to my channel of digital marketing by the name of Digital Drone. What the objective of this Digital Drone channel is? Let's know that first. As far as myself is concerned, I am into corporate training from last 15 years. Along the side, from last 10 years, I have been pursuing digital marketing, on rather all the aspects of digital marketing. I never wanted to open a YouTube channel earlier, but now I see that many people are visual learners. So they will be looking forward for more things over the video platforms. So hence, this is the first intro video. Why you must be coming and watching my digital channel is that because in 10 years, I have gone through all the process. I have been a witness to a lot of changes which has happened over the field of the digital marketing platform, be it be your Google algorithm changes, the search engine optimization changes, and so many changes with social media. Now, what this channel is going to help you. There are so many channels around. So I will try to keep this channel in English for people to get more understanding. But here and there, since this is a channel from India, we will be taking many things in Hindi as well. So what you can expect out of this channel is, what you can expect that you will get to know entire A to Z of digital marketing completely. So let me give me an overview. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing, if you take the two words, but any marketing which is happening over any digital platform is termed as digital marketing. So it covers a very broad aspects of arena. So let me quickly name a few of them for you with digital drone. A few of them are very important. Is first is website creation and development. Here we are speaking of designing a website either on WordPress, which is a content management system, or a blogger, which is a website. Post learning websites, you will be also learning that how to get your websites reach to more people. I mean, what that we call in technical language, the traffic or the visitors who come from. So we will be also looking forward to a lot of lessons of search engine optimization and the good practice of search engine optimization to make your website visible on the Google search results, or maybe what we call ranking your articles and blogs at the first page of Google. Later, we will also see the search engine marketing, wherein many times people have the need that the search engine optimization is slightly a time-taking process, wherein when you do search engine marketing, which is typically Google Ads, earlier known as Google AdWords, you'd have similar facilities with Bing ads. Yahoo and Microsoft have their Bing ads. You will be learning about online advertisements. Then you will be learning about social media, importance of social media, and how social media works in different arenas. So mainly, if I have to name, then you will be learning about Facebook page creation, Facebook group creation, then how to optimize your social media, and how to get traffic into social media, and then how you can advertise of your various products, which are physical, digital, or maybe an online course which you want to sell. So you'll be learning about Facebook when it comes. Instagram, we will be understanding about how to grow your Instagram followers for getting more number of likes and more number of shares to your articles. We'll be also learning some major social medias like Pinterest, Snapchat. There's so many of them, LinkedIn, Twitter. And all social media are relevant to some people, and some people might not be there. Then I will be discussing about something very fantastic phenomenon which digital marketing arena has, that is affiliate marketing. We will cover affiliate marketing in good detail because that is one of the most important revenue generation source. For reference, I have my website by the name digitaldrone.org. The description in the description, I will put the link of my website. you all can go to my website and already search about the articles which I have written till date. I will be updating the websites with top quality content in the times to come. So hoping that there's so many channels available, I recommend everybody for that. I have certain unique experience and pro tips and methods to make your journey easier, because um, a person always learns I personally learn by doing a lot of mistakes, but then not repeating that mistakes and correcting yourself to the right way so that you can make most out of it. Let me tell you the scope of digital marketing. If you want to do a slight research, you can search over Google and or the internet about what the scope is. So let me give you a small brief by sharing the screen first of all, and we will share the screen. And let me go to somewhere here. I want to share the screen and share here. So let's see if we can